Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network MAN is a network with a size between a LAN and a WAN. It normally covers the area inside a town or a city. So LAN is a local area network and WAN is a wide area network. And MAN is metropolitan area network. That means it is between the city. It normally covers the area inside a town or a city. So it covers area inside a town or a city. It is designed for customers who need a high-speed connectivity, normally to the internet, and have endpoints spread over a city or part of city. A good example of MAN is the part of the telephone company network that can provide a high-speed DSL line to the customer. So another example is cable TV network that originally was designed for cable TV but today can also be used for high-speed data connection to the internet. So that means through the cable connection line we can also get high-speed connections. For example, when we used to watch television in in previous times, when we did not had that internet connection, so uh, it was around the city. That means it was limited to the city. Interconnection of network, internetwork. Today it is very rare to see LAN, a MAN, or a LAN in an isolation. They are connected to one another. So LAN, MAN, these are connected to one another, so they form a huge network called internetwork. When two or more networks are connected, they become an internetwork or internet. So these networks are connected together and form internet. As an example, assume that an organization has two offices, one of the east coast and other on the west coast. The established office on the west coast has bus topology LAN, and newly opened office on east coast has star topology LAN. So these two offices can interconnect with each other, although they have different kind of topologies. So this is example of a switched WAN network in which the we can switch between two different topologies, star and bus. So first is precedent, that means the user which is switching between those. Then there comes a modem, that is modulator demodulator. Then point to point WAN, then modem again, then switch WAN, that means WAN which is switching. Switch WAN means switching between two different networks or joining two networks. Now router, point to point router, then point to point WAN and router. Now there is a bus topology and there is star topology. So these different kind of topologies are connected in a heterogeneous network made up of 4 WANs and 2 LANs. So this is kind of a heterogeneous network which is used in MAN, that is metropolitan area network.